Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Laura Smith.
Yes, I see your reservation. One night, correct?
Yes, for one night.
Do you want a single or double room?
A single room, please.
Very well. Here is your key.
Thank you. What is my room number?
Your room is 305 on the third floor.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please.
I will call someone to help you.
That's very kind. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here is the elevator.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Good. Is Wi-Fi available?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free. Here is the password.
Thank you very much.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, can I get a map of the city?
Of course. Here is a map.
Thank you. Are there restaurants near the hotel?
Yes, there are many restaurants around the hotel.
That's good. Is the swimming pool open?
Yes, the pool is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Perfect. Can I ask for a taxi tomorrow?
Yes, we can call a taxi for you anytime.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
You are welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Listen and repeat.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you. I have a reservation. Yes, here it is. My name is Laura Smith. Yes, for one night. A single room, please. Thank you. What is my room number? Okay, thank you. Yes, please. That's very kind. Thank you. Thank you. What time is breakfast? Good. Is Wi-Fi available? Thank you very much. Yes, can I get a map of the city? Thank you. Are there restaurants near the hotel? That's good. Is the swimming pool open? Perfect. Can I ask for a taxi tomorrow? Thank you. You are very helpful. I will. Goodbye.